What can I expect from my acupuncture treatment? Although it has been done for thousands of years in Asia, some people are still very nervous about going to an acupuncturist for treatment. As the practice becomes more accepted, however, and the use of acupuncture is becoming more prevalent, many individuals will find themselves getting this treatment for the first time. If you are a little bit nervous about your acupuncture treatment, you are in good company, but that doesn't mean that you have a need for alarm. Here is what you can expect from your visit to the acupuncturist. The first visit will actually be a question and answer session and may or may not include acupuncture at all. Your doctor will want to know almost everything about your medical condition, and the underlying issues and anything else that may help him in his treatment of your condition. Once the proper treatment is discerned, however, your treatments will start, perhaps even on the first visit. This is where most people get nervous because they are unsure about the dangers that may exist from acupuncture. Let me put your mind at ease. It is very rare for there to be any problems from acupuncture treatment, and, as long as your acupuncturist is using clean needles and knows what they are doing, you have little to worry about at all. It is possible for infection to set in or for an organ to be punctured, but this is very rare if your acupuncturist is qualified. Each session will last about 1/2 hour and your doctor will insert very tiny needles into the acupuncture points and may manipulate them somewhat with his hands, induce a very light electrical pulse or even warm them with moxa. The needles will remain in your body for anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Most people do not feel any discomfort at all from having these needles inserted and actually may feel invigorated in some cases or perhaps very relaxed. After your first time of receiving acupuncture, you will find that it is not an unpleasant situation at all. As a matter of fact, you may leave the acupuncturist feeling very good, relaxed and with an overall sense of well-being. In fact, once you begin with your acupuncture treatments, you will probably wonder why you waited so long to begin them in the first place. It's an ancient medical practice, but it can still take care of many things for us today.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.